Hi, my name is Audra Mitchell, and today I'm here to talk about the effects on the environment due to plastic waste. Here is my audience. How many bottles of water do you drink on the daily? I'm sure it seems pretty convenient and really quick and easy to use on the go. According to EarthDay.org, Americans purchase about 50 billion plastic water bottles per year, and only 9% of that is recycled. So where does all that extra plastic go? Plastic pollution is one of the many contributors to the damaging of the environment. It is important to learn and be knowledgeable about the effects plastic waste has on our Earth. Plastic pollution has very harmful impacts and effects on our environment and is leading to the pollution that is irreversible. These harmful impacts include release of chemicals, health problems, and effects to animals and biodiversity. As I plan to major in environmental science, I find myself wanting to become more knowledgeable of the subject surrounding plastic waste and the effects it has on our environment. I have done lots of research online and have read through many textbooks surrounding the subject. First, I will describe plastic pollution becoming a crucial environmental issue. Second, I will discuss one of the biggest causes to plastic pollution. And third, I will discuss one solution to plastic pollution. Plastic is one product that humans use all the time. Through much research, though, it has been noted that plastic may do more harm than good. Stated in an article by UNEP.org, plastic can release chemicals into the soil, which leads to groundwater that species drink from to be harmful. As you can see in this diagram, just from the pollution from soil pollution, air pollution, and water pollution from plastic, it causes many health effects to humans. As well as if you look at here, as a fish ingest plastic, and seabirds and aquatic life eat the fish, they are harmed as well. Now, in an article from the biologicaldiversity.org, they describe that turning fossil fuels into plastics pollutes the water and air. This puts out harmful chemicals that can end up disrupting food chains and habitats. Not only are animals being affected by this, but human beings are at health risk because of effects to this pollution. So, because of the pollution effects that plastic puts out onto the environment, humans are becoming exposed to toxic chemicals which are leading to health concerns. Stated in an article by UNEP.org, chemical effects like BPA and more, leaching out of plastic particles causing health concerns that are hormonal issues, diseases, cancers, cardiovascular problems, and developmental problems in children. Now that I've informed you about the environmental issues concerned from plastic pollution, let's dive into what exactly causes plastic waste. One of the biggest contributors to plastic pollution is littering. As you can see here in this diagram, 62.31% of this is all plastic littered into the ocean. And as you can see here, here's all the plastic that is wound up onto the shore. According to an article titled Plastic Waste Statistics, 75% of all plastic produced has become waste. 73% of all litter on beaches worldwide is plastic, and roughly about 91% of plastic is not recycled. All of this littering is a major concern for animals and humans, given the environmental and health concerns that we talked about above. According to an article written by Potomac.org in 2021, the author states, many people litter because they can't find a trash or they just don't want to walk around and carry it everywhere. One researcher, Robert Cialdini, a psychology professor at Arizona State, states that the decision to litter is based on environmental cues. Now that we know a large cause in plastic pollution, let's talk about ways that researchers suggest the stop of the spread of plastic pollution. So one of the most known ideas to help stop the spread is to recycle. Recycling is a great way to help the environment and protect everything in it. Recycling is the process of collecting and processing plastic, in this case, to be converted into new products. Studies from the EPA have shown that environmental benefits from recycling. It prevents pollution, reduces waste to fill landfills and combustion sites, and it conserves natural resources. According to Judith Enck, a former U.S. Environmental Protection Agency official, the recycling rates are declining. In 2020, the recycling rate was 8.7%, and by 2021, it was averaging at about 5 to 6%. So as you can see in this chart, you can see that from about 2016, the recycling rates were at its highest, and then it slowly started to decline. In this presentation, you were first informed about how plastic pollution is a crucial environmental issue. Second, I discussed a certain cause of plastic pollution, which is littering. And then lastly, I just provided a solution to the issue of plastic waste, which is recycling. The effects and impacts of plastic pollution are harmful to our environment, and without a change, it will remain this way. In conclusion, plastic pollution is a major issue that is starting to consume our environment. It is a non-biodegradable substance that will do harm. Species are suffering from this problem that humans created, and without a proper solution, not only will our environment health decline, but so will humans. I hope I helped provide more knowledge to help your understanding of this topic with more detail. Thank you.